Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today is February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. And we're solving the 45th problem from this Daily Epsilon calendar. Yeah, I did my adding right. Every time I do that in my head, I always go with 31 plus and then today's date. It's going to be even harder once March comes around. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. And today we have a heart. How cute. Thanks to the American Mathematical Society for making such a lovely problem today. All right, we need to solve for x, and it looks like x divided by 2 is going to be the area of one of these blue semicircles. So combining them together, x is just going to be the area of, well, like the whole circle. Okay. And we're given some information down here. The side length of the square is going to be the square root of 56 over pi. And I noticed that the radius here is going to be half of the side length. So I'll just write out, 2r equals s. And then s is going to be this square root of 56 over pi. And so to get my radius, I should have root 56 over pi. And the reason I'm getting my radius is once you know like the radius of a circle or its circumference or its area, once you know like one detail, you can just kind of figure out the rest. Maybe I should simplify this radius expression before I plug it into the area formula. To simplify square roots, you can find common factors, and then hopefully you either find a square number or a repeated factor. So let's see. 56 is a multiple of 4, because I know that 60 is 4 times 15, right? Yeah, okay. So then 56 must be 4 times 14. And one thing you can do with square roots, when they're like multiplying or dividing on the inside, is break them up. So root 4 times root 14 over root pi is going to be the same thing as multiplying and dividing them all together first, then taking the square root. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the square root of 4 is just 2. That asks what times what is 4, and I think we both know that that's just a2. Now, I guess I don't really like having that root 14 and the root pi like apart from each other, so I'm going to stick them back together. And I like this as my most simplified version of my radius. Okay, area is pi r squared. So I can just substitute this value in for my radius. I got 2 and then root 14 over pi. Let's see, what should I do next? Well, oh wait, hold on. I'm glad I caught this. My 1/2 just disappeared on me. This 1/2 right here, coming from the fact that I took half of the side length, just completely went away. So if I reintroduce it back where it should have been, that 2 that used to be a root 4 and this 1/2 cancel out. So actually, I don't have a 2 here at all. So I don't have a 2 here at all. And that makes my calculations just a little bit more simple. I know that if you square root something and then square it, you're essentially just undoing those steps. So I could say that this is pi times 14 over pi. And then if you multiply by pi and then divide by pi, you're not really doing all too much. Those cancel out as well. So the area is 14, and that's today's date. Well, we're all done. Thanks for coming along. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.